Good evening to beloved Dr. Marisa binti Abdul Rahim. I am Divyagni Mahendran, H18A0102. I am representing Group 5 from L1 and the title of our assignment was Induction of New Employees. Before I give explanations about our topic, have you heard about the employee induction? It's a very first step of welcoming new employees to the company and preparing them for their respective roles. Induction training will provide all the informations that needed by the employee. Induction training can directly affect the employee's contribution in a company. So, employee training is the other terms which for any organizations to deliver an effective training for the very first time joining the company. Our group members decided to do an innovation creating by e-learning applications. Then, the main purpose of induction new employee is to help an organization to stand out from the others. In e-training apps, the company will provide all the guidance. Employees have to enter their ID stuff that provided by the company. This kind of training will be conducted for a week by the employers. They need to stay at any places that have strong coverage of internet such as in the office, home or where they want to be preferred to complete their e-training program. This way surely will save their money and time in order to ensure the operational efficiency. Furthermore, e-training application provided an opportunity to cut down on expenses related to the event managements. It is also helping them to track in their work performance. Employee has some chances to use the apps by their own device. Let me explain one of the advantages of using this app. It will provide learning efficiency methods with technologies. Then, employee will interest in their scope of work offered by the company. Moreover, they help management to produce quality products in organizations. The commercial value in terms of marketability or profitability in induction of new employees is innovation of training them by online learning. Moreover, these e-training apps is very suitable for the employees, employers and trainer courses to use. Next, if employer had a problem to meet with their employee, format a presentation at company so they no need to be worried. It is because the presentation can be do The presentation can do by these e-training apps which call as e-presentation. These can make easier for both of them. They can communicate by click down the symbols that appear on e-presentation section. The main objective of induction new employee process is to help the new employees getting comfortable with the role and educate about the systems plus procedures of the organizations. In addition, in our e-training apps, we had emphasized the need and comfort level of employees with specific. We made other different section which is employee need to click down one by one to access the information that provided by the company. They have a lot of usefulness by using the e-training apps. E-training apps will lead to a better retention. Actually, employee retention refers to the ability of an organization to retain its employees. In this sense, retention becomes the strategy rather than the outcome. Employee would rather watch a video or listen to a podcast that read through pages of manual. If they enjoy the learning, they can able to recall and apply the concept of works. After that, they can learn e-training apps by using desktop, handphones, tablets, laptops and other devices. This app also makes the learners more flexible. They no need to take time out from their jobs to attend for the classes. One of the most reasons to offer further training and education to employees to ensure that work skills stay current. So, let's listen to the commercial value in terms of marketability and or profitability of the innovation. E-training apps will save your money as employees. Don't have to drive to meet the trainer. So, every other than that, every time online learning provides consistent and standardized. Each learner goes through the same experience when they take the courses. Moreover, e-training course apps help to train newly joined employees not only to save their time but also to reduce cost of a company. Soon, it is also help to track employees' work performance. Other commercial value in terms of marketability or profitability of the innovation is to learn something new. New employees can learn something new wherever they live. With online learning, learners can access content anywhere and anytime. They no need to take time out of out from their jobs to attend classes. Employees can gain new experience and knowledge wherever they want just by subscribing to the internet to receive training. Another point is the time effective. Through this app, it saves employees time without having to think about meeting their trainer. It saves time because employees can attend training whenever they want whenever they want, and it will not interfere with the other workers' daily work. E-training apps can work without help of an internet. Although this app might require internet connectivity of their tasks, but still offer basic content and functionality to the users in offline mode. Then this app won't tell outsiders about our personal information because it will protect the privacies. Lastly, new employees can learn something new wherever they are. With online learning, employees don't have to take time out from their jobs to attend their classes. In a nutshell, employees can gain sorry in short employees can gain new experience and add knowledges by just subscribing in the internet to receive the training. So, this innovation in the induction to new employees is provide a creative way for new employees to contact their new company also. Thank you. And I hope even though I did mistakes while presenting, but I still managed to give enough explanation about our topic. That's all for today's presentation, and thank you once again, Dr. Melissa.